once you write store, this will come up Microsoft Store here. Simply click here and you can see a host of things being advertised. For example, home, Roblox, all kinds of games are advertised. Either you can simply write one task, then this app will come up, or else you can search as well. Simply press one task. Well, as it is showing the most popular app to manage your task, one task helps you to organize and remember all the important tasks. So I have to simply click on get. So once you do this, you can see it's preparing to download, getting files ready. So in the meanwhile, you can see all this screenshots of this one task, how it looks, and description, the most popular app to manage your task. Important things, one task integrates with Google, Outlook, Office, everything. It's installing 9 point some MB, restoring app data. Okay. One task just got installed. So if I click here, open, let me see. So it will ask to choose your skin, enjoy using one task. For example, I want the blue one or maybe the pink one. It looks good. Next. I think to work with one task, you have to set up one or more online task accounts. So I have to simply, I am comfortable with Google, so I'll simply click on Google Task. So it's asking me to log in. So my one task is installed now. It is having a pink and feminine kind of skin here. So let's see. This is my task. At least in my next videos, I'll tell you how to use this one task. So this is only how to download one task from Microsoft Store and how to get to this point. After that, how to use this, how to sync with other like Google Task or all your devices, I'll make further videos. So friends, I hope you learned something. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such informative videos in future. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.